What is up, guys? It's Squatch and or Squid. I don't know which one I like more, Squid or Squatch, so I put them together. But I'm back at it again with another video. I'm just going to get some chicken right now, so like I'm not gonna do anything too crazy. I might go around the block before I get the chicken, but I'm just going to get chicken. So life is really good right now, honestly. Sometimes I'll be sitting at work and I'll like get the Zaboomafoo theme song stuck in my head, you know, Chris Pratt, or not Chris Pratt, the Pratt brothers, fucking A. Got Chris Pratt on the mind. So a little bit too much. It's not even the man I'm gay for. I'm gay for Jason Momoa. And I'm not even gay. He just seems like one of the guys that'd be a cool bro. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, nice. Hell yeah, dude. See, it's like high 50s, low 60s right now. And I kept on hearing these fucking sport bikes go by the house. And I wasn't even going to ride today because it was like 7:30 at night already. But, well, damn, dude, like, I hear that shit go by. I was like, fuck, now I got to get mine out. You know, like, shit. I didn't even go to the gym today. I've been motivated, but I fell asleep for like five hours, unfortunately, which means that I didn't get a lot of shit done today, but got a hell of a good nap in. And I'll take a good nap over like nothing any day, you know, but I like having time to enjoy the day instead of having my eyes closed, because the longer I have my eyes closed, the less of the day I can enjoy. I hope that my phone's in here, right? Yeah, I pressed the power button on accident. Nice. I hope some of y'all can like relate to that. Otherwise, I'm just gonna sit here looking like a madman that doesn't sleep ever and runs off of Red Bulls and Monsters. So are y'all ready for me to do some more demos this year? Because I'm ready to do some more demos this year. I don't know when or where, but I'll be at a couple. At least I hope so. Why are we slowing down? It's a green light, dude. But I hope so. I think that Indian's going to have another one. I think Harley should have another one. And they added some things to their lineup that I'm actually really excited to ride, like both Indian and Harley. Because Indian added their Street Bob counterpart, the Dark Chief, or the Chief, whatever the fuck it is. I don't remember what it's called, but I know it looks like a Street Bob. Harley added a Street Bob that looks exactly like the new Indian, so you know they're competing in that aspect. They also added the new Pan America. I really want to get on that. It looks like a fun time. Doubt they'll have it, but you never know. I'll probably ride a lot of videos. I need to get on a Road King too. I didn't get on a Road King last year, but there's a lot of Harleys I haven't rode yet, but I've rode damn near every fucking Indian, so I need to get on the Harley bandwagon again. Like, I ride a Harley, but I need to get on the demo trailer bandwagon. Woo! So that way I can like get some content and maybe decide what I want for my next motorcycle, because I'm still stuck between like a 636 or F4i, a shovel head. I would love a shovel head, because there's something badass about kickstarting a big twin, you know? But if I get a shovel head, I'll probably be grouped in. Oh, hello, old Chevy. But if I get a shovel head, I'll probably be grouped in with the hipsters. So I'd probably do a chopper build or something with like a Springer on the front. Probably definitely more rig than this thing has. Like an old school, the Captain America chopper from Easy Rider. I would love that. I'd also love to have a Billy Lane chopper, but those are more expensive than this bike costs. And this is a brand new EFI. Sorry, brand new, it's 10 years old, but you know, 11 years old now actually. But, you know, because they have their big stroker kits and stuff like that on those choppers, and they're really just show bikes, which is why they cost so damn much. But I would love to have one. Although I would also love to have fucking Road Glide with ape hangers on it, or even T-bars. Like if I went the ape hanger route, I'd have to put fishtails on it with true duals and like a 19 or 21 inch rim in the front, just so I can complete the Vikla look, because that's like my shit. I see a brother over there with a Harley. Hell yeah, dude. Cause like I like the Vikla look, I like the club style look, I like the old school look where it's just like what's comfortable instead of a style. Hold on, there's like a 45 sign here, and there's normally a cop that sits over there. No cop today, son. But it'd be nice to have one of those. Any of those, actually. Like, I really want to get all of them. I'd love to have a stable full of motorcycles, both import and domestic, you know? Like a Victory would be badass too, but good luck finding one that's not going to cost you an arm and a leg. Is chicken even open right now? I don't know. Oh shit, yeah, there's a line. I might need to get my chicken now and fucking do the round town afterwards. Fucking A. Although I missed my fucking turn there, so. Your man's is craving chicken strips and deep fried gizzards, so. Your boy's probably gonna stop in. Let's do a big whippy-yui down there. Come back. Hope it's not busy. If it's busy, I'll have wasted my time, but. I don't know. I'm being passively offensive again today too. I've got my no love for rap motherfuckers with an upside down cross on it again. Even though technically it's a Gabriel's cross, so it's not even like satanic at all. It's just the image isn't the greatest because of what the newfound people be doing. Hello, bird. I'm a child at heart, in case y'all didn't know. I say hi to random birds and shit. Guy's down there fishing with a tall ass pole, gonna knock his fucking pole against the bridge probably. Hold on, I'm gonna pull up over here and check the time that they're open and closed. But I don't want to get there and have them close at like 8 and get the shitty chicken, you know? Unless this Honda wants to race, I might be doing that instead. An Accord, and they don't want to race. If it was an Integra, it'd be different, because I know Integra's actually got something under the hood versus an Accord where it's like, I got family reliability, I'm good. Or miss neutral. There's neutral. Hello. Okay. I got like skinny jeans on. I don't have skinny jeans on, but these pants are just so fucking tight they remind me of skinny jeans. Get out of my pocket. Oh, the causeway. Yeah, that closed at fucking 9. I'm good. Right? Yeah, that closed at 9. Oh, let me stand up here. Come on. Charge. Bitch. There we go. Stay charging, please. Alright, I gotta put my kickstand down. I gotta stand up. Don't fall, don't fall, don't fall! Ah! Okay, we're good. Back in the pocket you go. Gotta like fucking jump to get that shit in there. Okay, we're good. Let me go get my chicken. My chicken tendies. My fucking chicken tendies, dudes. Ooh. Sorry, you heard me go primal for a second there. Ooh. Hello, hello. That was an SRT. I don't know if I could gap that. I can gap a RT pretty good. But you put the S on there and it gets questionable. Oh no, they got busy while I was gone. Fuck! I'm not about to wait in that line. Let me turn around again. Ooh, BMW. Oh, look at that. Sorry, dude, the Jeep behind me. I'm being indecisive as shit. I'll probably just stop at Meijer and get some fucking pre-made chicken. I don't know. They sell chicken tendies there, right? Oh, it's an ATS. I was hoping it was a CTSV. Colorado. Sierra. Nope. Silverado. Nope. Silverado. Nope. I mean, that's a nice looking truck. They ain't got no diesels. I'm looking for a fucking diesel. So I ain't gotta buy one later on in life. No, I'm not looking at the fucking crossovers. I want a truck so I can do truck things, damn it. I like the diesel aspect because then you get like a torque monster from the factory. That's why I like Harleys, because like I know they're slow, but you get that low end and there's like no matching it. Fucking, I'm getting chicken. Can I go in? I don't know if I can go in. Let me park up over here. I don't think I can go in. However, you know what I've got for that? A phone. No, I don't want to wait. I don't want to wait. I don't. Fuck, I want chicken, but I don't want to wait. Alright, I'm just gonna go around town and go to Meijer. My mind is made up. No, I don't want to stand here and hold the bike up for this long. If it was literally anything else going on that I was doing where I'm waiting this long, be a different story, but it's just chicken. Fuck, I'm not getting gizzards up. See, he hasn't moved at all, and he's been there for like a minute. Like a long ass fucking minute. I like how a quick little get chicken trip turned into this. I could turn around and Sprags, but no, I'm good. Pat's is an established biker bar, so at least I know I'll be welcome here. Kind of welcome here. I don't know. Maybe I'll know somebody here. I'm just turning around, y'all. I promise. See, I like. Woo! Alright, I don't want to get too close. I don't know who they are. There we go. Hell yeah. Alright, so after all that riding, it has come to my attention that I had a bug on my lens. Fuck, I dropped my glove. I don't know how long the bug was on my lens for, but oh well. That lady just gave me so many looks because I said, fuck, really loud. It's a good thing I'm not interested, ma'am. I have a girl. Maybe, I don't know. Lies. Got fucking ravioli and Parmesan topped chicken. Let's get a bread.